Hi, today we will learn how to transfer data from a main sheet to other sheet. In this file we have a main sheet while I record all the invoices related to any client, and we have for each client a sheet. So every time I add an invoice, let's say right now we have only 2 invoices for Ali, but if I add one here, let's say 3rd of July, and he buy 10 chairs for 50, so this information will automatically go to Ali's sheet. Now I am going to delete the 2 sheets and make them again. So the first step I have here under the client name, I have drop down list for all the client. In this example we have only 2, so I'm going to create just 2 sheets, one for each client. So this one is for Ahmed and this sheet is for Ali. I'm going to copy the header for each sheet, and by the way we can use another technique if you don't like to copy the header. Right now I'm in Ahmed sheet, so I'm going to query the data from the original sheet. So starting from A2, I cannot select A2, so I select any cell, but later I'll change it to A2, which is the first cell. I need this selection to go till the end of the sheet, so I will remove the number after the J. So I'm selected from A2 till the end of this range, comma, 2 quote, select asterisk, which means select everything from the sheet where client is in column B, so I have to write B as a capital letter, equal 1 quote Ahmed, 1 quote. In some cases when I hit enter, practice duplicated, so I have to remove the first one. Now it's working. If I take the exact same formula, Control C, and paste it here in A2 in Ali, and instead of Ahmed I need Ali, so I have to repeat the exact same formula with each client and just change the client name in the formula, and this formula is a spell formula, so it's automatically repeated, and here we don't have any data, so you cannot update the data here. Data is coming from the main table. That's it.